हेलो फ्रेंड्स, रीडिंग कॉर्नर में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज की स्टोरी है द किंग एंड द पैरट्स। Once a tribal king went to a jungle to hunt for birds. While hunting, he caught two parrots in his net. He was happy to catch the parrots as he could teach them to talk and then let his children play with the talking parrots. But while the tribal king was returning home with his parrots, one of the parrots escaped from the net and flew away. The tribal king chased the parrot, but the parrot disappeared in the sky. The tribal king brought the other parrot home and taught it to speak like him. Soon the parrot learned to talk like a tribal man. The other parrot, which had managed to escape, was caught by a sage. The sage taught the parrot to recite holy hymns. The sage lived at one end of the jungle while the tribal king lived at the other end. One day, a king of a nearby kingdom came in the jungle riding a horse. When he approached the tribal king's house, the parrot shouted from inside the cage, hanging outside the house. "Here comes someone! Catch this fellow and beat him thoroughly." The king, hearing the parrot speak in such a filthy manner, left that place and reached the other end of the jungle where the sage lived. The sage's parrot was also kept in a cage, which was hanging outside the sage's cottage. As soon as the parrot saw the king approaching the cottage, it said, "Welcome, please come in and have a seat. What can I do for you? Have a glass of water, eat some sweets." After having welcomed him properly with all the etiquettes, the parrot called his master. "Guruji, here comes a guest on his horseback. Take him inside and offer him a seat. Serve him food." The king was highly impressed with this intelligent talking parrot. He was quick to understand that good environment and training always yield a better result. The tribal king's parrot spoke rudely, while the sage's parrot greeted him in a polite tone. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, a man is known by the company he keeps. So this is the story for today's. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks.